Welcome back to Rebar 360. After a long gap, I'm happy to reconnect with you all. Some of you may remember that I previously shared Rebar detailing tutorial videos on this channel. The last detailing video was uploaded in 2023, almost 3 years ago. We started uploading videos regularly from 2021, but gradually the uploads reduced and finally paused in 2023. Now in 2026, Rebar 360 is restarting with new vision, more practical knowledge, and better industry focused content. Earlier, I uploaded around 25 tutorial videos, mainly based on US detailing concepts. Many students, engineers, and detailers supported the channel and learned from these videos. I sincerely thank everyone who encouraged and supported Rebar 360 during that time. Due to personal commitments, industry work responsibilities, project commitments, and other activities, I could not able to continue the channel regularly. But during these years, I gained more practical experience from the real projects, fabrication coordination, and construction execution. Every project taught valuable lessons. Now I would like to share all the practical knowledges and lessons I learned with all of you through this channel. Now we are restarting with new energy in 2026. The goal is very simple to share practical rebar detailing knowledge that helps students and professionals understand real industry requirements. Not only drafting, but professional detailing for fabrication, construction, and site execution. Starting from next week, we'll begin to complete with British Standard Rebar Detailing tutorials based on BS 866 detailing standards. The tutorial will include detailing basics such as units, cover, lap length, anchorage length, material grades, and practical detailing requirements. Sectors includes the standard and special shapes used for fabrication and site execution. The BBS preparation. What is BBS? What information is included and how to prepare bar bending schedules professionally. Step-by-step detailing of structural elements includes footings, columns, beams, slabs, and other detailing elements. Other structural detailing concepts also we can discuss. We will not only discuss the detailing theory, but also real project experience and practical industry knowledge gained over many years. Rebar detailing is high demand skill in India and abroad. There are excellent opportunities in Gulf countries There are excellent opportunities in Gulf countries, UK projects, international detailing companies, construction and fabrication industries. If you observe LinkedIn and job portals, many companies are actively hiring river detailers. At the same time, the number of civil engineer students is reducing in many colleges, and some colleges have even closed their civil engineering departments. This has created a major shortage of skilled detailers in the industry. Some companies are even trying to train arts and science graduates to fill this gap. This creates a huge opportunity for the students and freshers willing to learn river detailing professionally. In this industry, you can build a strong white collar career with good salary, fast career growth, international opportunities, stable long term demand. The growth potential is similar to IT industries, but construction will always remain essential and resistant. Learn well, improve your skill, build your career. Thank you for supporting Rebar 360. If you are interested in learning practical Rebar detailing professionally, subscribe to the channel and stay connected. Now, tutorial videos will start from next week. Let's learn and grow together. We are also conducting the personal Rebar detailing training programs. If you are interested in joining our courses, please write to info.rebar360 at gmail.com. Thank you.